Hey, it's me, Jthehairchitect. So you know I talk about Mielle all the time. I always recommend them to my clients. But I wanted you all to see what it looks like behind the scenes at the actual offices. All right, follow me. Good. So I'm glad I'm here. I wanted to check everything out and see what it looked like on a day-to-day basis.
Let's go see. We're going to the conference room first.
I appreciate it.
Team manager.
Oh, so you handle all the social media and the marketing?
She does
marketing, all that.
Wow, nice. I just wanted to get a shot of this wall. I actually want one of these in my house, but this is amazing. So is the product in pretty much all of the states?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Even in Maine?
A little bit.
I am finally here. I'm so happy. So I started off using the product, and going from that to actually being here and seeing what it looks like is amazing to me, and I'm honored to be here. And I just sort of wanted to ask real quick, like, what is a day-to-day like here? Like, you know, it's so easy for us to go to the store and buy the product or order online, but what's the day-to-day like here?
For me, and the same for me, no day is the same. They're all completely different. Everything is always different.
Yeah.
But typically we come in here and we come up with the ideas that the Monique that, you know, she came out with, and we kind of flush it out in this room. So we flush out the ideas in this room together. For me, it's just about, you know, making sure that everything online is streaming properly. Posts, videos, things like that. What about you?
For me, hopefully Monique didn't dream about a product the night before. So usually she and I meet to go over new products, products that are already currently in the mix, and just making sure everything's on schedule for any upcoming sales or events that we might have.
Warehouse time. So this is really nice. All right, so about how many orders do you guys think you guys handle a day?
Have like a sale, it could be thousands. Daily, it could be thousands. So it just depends on the need of the consumer.
Wow. When you guys develop a new line, how does that work in terms of shipping? Does it make it crazier? Do you have to bring on a whole nother team?
Oh, we usually do bring on a new team. So the demand for new products is just...
And we have shifts working around the clock.
Night shifts.
My mother-in-law thought everybody was hanging out, chilling, not paying attention. But I gotta tell her, you all have a whole operation going on here. This is amazing. This is amazing. What's your favorite line?
So my favorite line would be the Palm and Honey collection, because Monique and I were very instrumental in creating it together. So I love it. That leave-in just does wonders for my hair when it's not in, of course, this protective style. But yeah, Palm and Honey. What about you?
Palm and Honey, rice water, my faves. Absolutely love those. Cause I have type 4 hair, so I need a little moisture. You know, I need that thick.
What do you need?
Thick.
I started using Mielle's products because as a stylist, clients always ask me, what should I use? What should I do? What do I find in the stores? And so I was looking for a company, a product line that I could use that I know wasn't sold to a large manufacturing company in the middle of nowhere that we don't know that has reformulated the whole product. I wanted a line where you almost know the owner, you know the story behind the product line, and that's accessible for everyone to go and purchase. So I work in Dallas, I work in Chicago and other cities, and I wanted to be able to tell my clients, go to the store and purchase this, or go online and purchase that, and that I fully trust. And so I started off, this was the first product that I used, and I used it on a couple of clients, and I noticed the difference and they noticed the difference, and then they started sending me pictures. And so then after that, I started testing and using all the products. Now I will say this, everything doesn't work for everyone, which should be expected, you know what I mean? But I do like that this company I can trust with all of their products, and they stand behind their products, and I really love them. And so I definitely wanted to come here today and show you what it looks like behind the scenes so that you can trust them the way that I do. Can you tell me if there's anything coming up or anything we should look out for?
Should we tell?
I don't think so.
Please, I mean, just, okay, if you don't tell me, give me a hint.
Okay, we can give hints. Yes.
2 words.
Okay.
2 words, go ahead.
Black.
And then Friday?
Uh-huh.
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 Black Friday?
Yeah.
Wait, so Black Friday is not canceled this year?
No.
Nope.
No.
Bad.
No.
Bad.
We telling you to get ready. Get ready.
Y'all hear that?
Get ready.
The same way y'all do for the Beyonce concert. Get ready for Black
Get
Friday.
ready.
All right. Nice. I appreciate that. So are there any other, I mean, right now to me it seems I've used everything in the entire Mielle family. Is there anything that you think you guys are trying to develop or come out with? I mean, what's left? I mean, there's something for natural, there's something for relaxed, there's something for if you're color treated, if you're a kid. Is there anything else you guys could think of that you would even need to come out with?
Of course. It's
Really?
always something new to come out with. So yes, Black Friday is, just
Set
stay
your
tuned.
calendar.
Right.
All right. We're looking forward to it. I appreciate you guys letting me come
thank
in
you.
and just giving me a few minutes to just come in and check it out. I love the operation and I will continue to support, and I appreciate you guys allowing the consumer to communicate with you guys, and you guys are always on top of making sure you communicate back with the clients and the customers, and I appreciate that, and thank you. So these are my top 10 products that I like to work with. I'm gonna explain why in 20 seconds or less for each product. So rosemary mint, obviously because it strengthens your hair, it feels good, and honestly, I hate to say this, but what I really love about this product is that in one pump, it lathers up for the whole head, and I like that because who's not trying to save money? So that's why I like this, and it helps strengthen and grow your hair. All right, moisture anti-breakage shampoo for the obvious reasons. And if you're color treated or you have any type of chemical in your hair, this is really good. It's sulfate free and it helps to help retain your length. And then the matching conditioner, Now, this I like because I'm tired of seeing women do this. That drives me crazy. So this is a moisturizing scalp treatment. So whenever you had an urge to do that, just take this, hit it with a couple pumps, and it'll knock that feeling right out. All right. I think this is an essential for anybody who has curly hair. I don't care what type of curly hair it is. This is an essential because you need to make sure that your scalp is healthy and you have a healthy growing environment for your hair to grow out and get long and take care of it. So you definitely need the rosemary mint oil. This I love because it smells like you are out of town and you paid $300 for a massage. This smells so good, and it has like that tingly sensation when you rub it on your scalp. It feels so good. Now, I wouldn't really technically recommend this for like little kids because if it gets around your eyes and everything, it may be a little irritating and it may be a little strong for them, but I'm telling you, this is where it's at right here. Okay. So this is the rice water split-in therapy. And I think that some people think that with this, you won't have to clip your ends. You still have to clip your ends. But what this does is, especially if you're wearing a natural style, it just helps retain healthy ends. That's what it's meant for. That's what it does. This does not make it to where you don't have to clip your ends anymore. You still have to clip your ends, okay? So just, I want everybody to understand that. And the twist and souffle I like creamy products, and so I like for when a client or your hair is nice and wet or towel dry, you only need a little bit goes a long way, but it has a nice creamy substance, it smells good, and it's very healthy for your hair. I really like this. And then you can cocktail the product too. You can use this with a little coil custard or a little gel, but it definitely, it leaves you with definition and it keeps your hair nice and soft. My last two products I'm leaving are these two vitamins here. The kids vitamins, which are gummies that taste good, and then you got the adult healthy hair vitamins. And so it has everything that you need for your hair to be healthy, your biotin and everything. But I like the fact that Mielle came with a kids vitamin, because you really don't see that a lot. And you really do want your kids to have healthy hair. So this is definitely something that I would recommend getting. And you may have to order it online, you may not see it in the store, but it's definitely worth investing in the kids vitamins. It started off with one building, but as you can see, we put in so many orders, had to add a whole nother building. This place is expanding, it's amazing. I'm so glad I came out today.